Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive by data from BBL agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, 100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I have a friends there that working in Malaysia.
Remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Okay.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yeah, I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoos in your skin?
No, madam. I don't
Our
have tattoos.
our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, it's the second time.
Why you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Um, I want to experience the how to work in the Malaysia.
Oh, you want to experience. So can you help me
Yes.
introduce yourself, please?
Yes. I'm Mary G. Gargoles. I'm 32 years old. I have two daughters. I am single mom. Um, mm, uh, mm,
It's okay. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? So, when is your birthday?
my birthday is June 29th, 1993.
So, you will be turning next year 33 years old, right?
Right,
What is your height and your weight?
mom.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3" and my weight is 50.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What about your educational background?
My educational background is high school graduate.
You mentioned that you are a single mother.
Yes, I am a single mother.
Do you have boyfriend?
No,
Are you sure you don't have any boyfriend?
no, I don't have boyfriend.
How many children do you have?
I have two children, ma'am.
How old are those children?
13 years old and 6 years old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your kids later knowing that you are a single mother?
Mm, my sister.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
My sister is 42 years old and she is a housekeeping.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the fourth.
You are the fourth. What about your parents?
My father is my. I don't have mother anymore. Only father.
How old is your father and what is his occupation?
My father is 53 years old and he is a farmer.
Farmer. Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA way back 2020 to 2022 and you finished your contract, is it?
Yes.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
I worked there for house for DH. I work. The house is from the third floor. Um, I cook. I take care of the kids also, and um,
Did you
I
do
also clean.
laundry? Did you do laundry and ironing?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I also do
How many
laundry and
children? How many children do you take care?
three chil- three children, ma'am.
How old are those children?
The children, the first one is 18.
Okay.
The other one is 9, and the small is 7 years old.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with that employer?
Because of the salary and also the attitude of the my employer is not good.
So you just finished your 2 years contract.
Yes,
Okay. So after 2022, do you have any working experience?
no, I don't have, madam.
So you are a full-time mother until recently.
Yes.
So how do you provide to your children knowing that you are a single mother and you don't have any job in the Philippines?
I working in the house.
You're working in the house. How you earn some money to fed to your children? Because you said that you are a full-time mother way back 2022 and until recently.
Mm. Sometimes my father is working. My father give me money sometimes, and
Mm.
they
So you lean on to your father.
yes,
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract here in Malaysia?
yes,
This is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you miss your children, you cannot handle your job anymore, and maybe later once you terminate your contract, you will ask your father also to pay for your terminating of contract.
no, mom.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure, mom.
Okay, so houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. I'm just telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. So you need to get ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes,
Can you
yes,
take care elderly people?
yes,
Can you cook?
yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, I
It's okay. Are you okay to take care pets?
yes,
Alright, so as I have mentioned, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
yes, I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you terminate your contract, you already know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Remind
Yes,
yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time, knowing that you are a single mother and you need to repay also to your father, knowing that he provides also for your children at the same time. Yeah? In Philippines,
yes,
you can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes,
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Mary G. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.